I'm gonna put on another little video here. I'm at the Pine Knob Mountain Bike Park, and I just saw another deer, bigger one than yesterday, and it just ran down the hill. See if I can pick it up on camera. If it didn't run across skyline there. And such a nice place to walk and hike. And tried mountain biking, but almost busted my teeth out. So on the bunny slope, I had the chipmunk scurry. It's so nice today. The weather's mild. Let's see if we can see the old deer. It's a big whitetail. It was cool. Yeah, this place just never ceases to amaze me. You know, it's like you feel like you're way out somewhere, but you know, there's the road. Yeah. Guess we'll miss the deer this time. Try for another one. Over and out.